everyone, this is Lindsay Marquez, and today I will be going over signal phrases. This is a documentation mission. This video will contain the definition of a signal phrase, examples of common signal phrases, and 2 examples of signal phrases in my essays. And in the end, we'll sum it all up. Let's get started. So what exactly is a signal phrase? Well, signal phrases are used to transition from your thoughts to an integrated source. If you don't know what an integrated source is, check out my other video. I already have one posted on integrated sources that will clarify that for you. The use of a signal phrase aids in the avoidance of a dropped quote or dropped quotes. I have this little tidbit in there because dropped quotes are when there is no explanation before or after the quote, and it's very choppy and abrupt. You don't want that in your essay, so it's good to avoid them. Here I have some examples of common signal phrases. Things like, a recent study by Black-Scholes. In 1990, Emory wrote, or according to Mayer Wright. Now, I've added adjectives, and you may find yourself copying this format as you're looking for signal phrases as a way to introduce your quotes. The first example of signal phrases in my essay, I have it underlined, according to Gabriela Buran. Now, this is an example of a signal phrase for a quotation. The next one I have is, Jules Petty informs us in this book, Agricultural Sustainability, Concepts, Principles, and Evidence, and then the source. Now, this is a paraphrase of the source, which is another thing that you will have to signal in your writing. To sum up signal phrases are used to transition from your thoughts to a source. So, if you are developing a strong argument and you need evidence to back up the argument, you'll use a signal phrase to transition into a source. They are also explanations to source integration. So if you're not using an argument and you're writing an educational research paper, it's an easy way and a smooth way to refer to a source. And they are also statements used to avoid dropped quotes. This is really important because dropped quotes are very choppy or jumpy, and the reader is left to figure out the link between the point the writer is trying to make and the quotation. So there's a lot of room for interpretation, and that's not the best.